Hello guys, myself Sandeep. Welcome to my channel Microsoft World. We all know that previously we have added Active Directory domain controller and how to promote the server to all. Today I want to tell you about additional domain controller. How to add additional domain controller to our existing Active Directory domain. It's nothing but backup server to our domain controller. Okay, means if your primary server is down means we need to run with secondary domain, right? That's why now we are adding your domain control to our domain to improve our ability and reliability of network services. Also, if you are adding to external domain control can helps you provide that backup for existing domain controller and provide additional infrastructure support to our sites. And also, if you are adding, we have domain controller as Microsoft World. For that, your existing domain controller, we can add additional domain controller to that domain. You can see that additional added domain controller. Before you adding that, how to change this part, change this username, change this network. You have to change this network now. Click on this, open network settings, change adapter settings. Here right click and click on properties. Double click on this. Here I am assigning IP address to this additional domain controller as 10.0.0.10. I will give this. This is the same, and I also have given prefer DNS as 10.0.0.20. Sorry, I'm giving this as 20 because we are having already this. I'm giving alternate DNS server as our existing domain controller IP address 10.0.0.10. Okay, click on OK. Okay. Now, I'm trying and ping 10.0.0.20. This was the IP address we have assigned. This is additional domain controller. Now, while trying to ping our DNS also. Yes, you can see both are reachable. Normal active domain controller, and this is your additional domain controller. In previous video, we have added that add rules and feature add active directory domain controller is. I have already done all this in this server. Now, you click on here. I need to promote this server. Click on promote this server to domain controller. Previously, we have done add a new forest. It's still loading. Previously, we done as add a new forest. Now, I'm clicking on add this domain controller to our existing domain. It's already we are having domain. For this existing domain, I'm adding the domain controller as a backup server. I click on add the domain controller. I'm giving the domain name. Our domain name is Microsoft World.in. Microsoft World.in. And I'm changing this prefer operational change. Click on change. Here I need to give the username and password. I need to give username and password. Next. Now we will give this password. Then click on next. Leave this tab here and click on next. Here it is telling that replication from. I went to replication from Microsoft Word. .microsoftworld.in. Click on next. Same as previous, it is saved in entity files. Next, it will check all the weather and everything activated, everything will be there or not. It will check now. Click on install. It will restart automatically. Please be wait. Once it was restarted, we will check whether it was added to our domain or not. Whether it is a backup server or not, we will let you know. I will let you know how to check all these things. I think everyone can understand why you add additional command controller, because the backup it's nothing but it's backup server only. That one also I will show you how it will replicate once anything changes has been done in main server, how it will replicate. Yes, it's done. Now we will try, we will log in this here. See here also same Microsoft Word 1/administrator as our primary domain controller. That one domain controller. This is additional domain controller. Nothing but backup server. Now we will check whether it was added to domain or not. Okay. It was done. Now we will see whether it is backup server or not. Open CMD and type net accounts. Or enter. See here we can see it's a backup server. You can see it's a computer role. It's a backup server. Now we will check whether it's backup server or not. Okay. Now we will go to main server. Log into your main server. Here, click on this. I'm going to users or group. Right click on this. I have to click on new user. Just for sample, I'm creating Sandy as user. Okay. Next, I'm giving the password. Now I'm saying this. User can't change password. Password never change. Click on next. Finish. Now I have created this here Sandy. Now we will check whether backup server, whether it was replicated or not. Now go to the backup server. Same thing. Click on tools. Go to Active Directory users and computers. Expand your Microsoft Word. Here users are there. Click on this. See guys, here you have Sandy is there. Previously you have done Sandeep Vasum30. Previous video you have ABC at Microsoft.in. See guys, everything is backup in additional domain controller. This was the backup server to reduce load balancing server. If in case we have two servers, one server is down, second server will active. That's why we will create the backup server in any organization and all. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.